Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are on this planet. Today we are discussing a VChain's partnership with the JLL, which is Jones Lang LaSalle, China, which connects with the China VChain to explore blockchain adoption in sustainable property technology. JLL is a global commercial real estate service company founded in the United Kingdom with offices in around 80 countries. The company provides investment management services worldwide, including services to institutional and retail investors. With sustainability becoming a critical pillar of business success in the Chinese market, JLL has been seeking innovative solutions to accelerate carbon emissions reduction in the real estate. With this in mind, JLL China connects with the VChain. The 3060 carbon target has created new challenges and opportunities for companies and individuals. Here we can see this JLL offices in Mumbai, and this is Shanghai, where the home sales in Shanghai show sign of recovery in June as epidemic prevention measures lift. This is head of research in the China, and here this is then according to JLL's latest survey report, 66% of the Chinese corporations have incorporated carbon emissions reductions into their real estate strategy. This vast majority of occupiers plan to prioritize locations that would help them reduce carbon emissions in the future. The report also pointed out insufficient technological infrastructure is a major barrier to achieve decarbonization goals. Presently, lack of consistent and validated carbon data pose a huge reporting challenge. At least two-thirds of the Chinese corporations are looking to invest in new and emerging technologies to bridge the gap. Blockchain technology is the ideal tool to deliver consistency and transparency in data. It has immense potential to help drastically improve measurements and reporting standards and progress towards the net zero carbon goal. The authenticity, consistency, and integrity of carbon emission data generated during the construction, operation, maintenance, and renovation of demolition phases of the building are critical metrics for achieving sustainability goals. Blockchain technology has the ability to help real estate companies record and manage the carbon footprint of a building's life cycle in a more effective and secure manner. This data then can be utilized for other systems such as ratings and certifications, or even form a part of the company's digital asset basket. Blockchain technology can record data from the raw material even and production stages of development in a trustless manner. Manufacturers can also track the complete carbon footprint of each product and create a branded and trusted carbon label. This technology combined with computing models provided by third-party services can effectively and authentically record individual behaviors and transform data into value. As an advocate and leader of sustainable real estate, JLL has been developing strategies to help clients achieve net zero carbon emissions as a key pillar of their future technology. VChain has devoted itself to assessing and developing new ways for blockchain to transform existing spaces and infrastructures, ultimately making them more sustainable and less carbon intensive. The future is bright as the intersection of property and technology. The above is another example of how blockchain can drive meaningful environmental action. VChain continues to strive toward delivering technology for all those fields. That is all for today, dear friends. Always use antivirus like Norton to protect your PC, and also use Node or ExpressVPN to secure your online activity. A small mistake or click can ruin your entire life saving, especially if you are storing your cryptocurrencies on a computer, because our mind is not always stable. As always, thank you for listening. Kamal here, bye bye. And lastly, use VChain with your Android or iOS wallet, and use VRocket for swapping and providing liquidity. Bye.